Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sophia Laforteza from Katseye. So let's get started. To draw cute Sophia, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. Oops. Try to make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, so now with my eyes in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. There. So now with our eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw this nice long curve coming out. And then maybe just like two smaller ones right about here. And same thing over here. Nice long one and then two shorter ones. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up to about right here and just draw a soft angle. And thicken it up, and same thing on the other side. There. And then of course let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, we're going to go ahead and just draw a curve going up and cap it off in the center. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So we want it really close to her face because her hair is just really pretty much on the side of her face. So let's say about right here where her lashes are. Just give myself a point about here and here. And really close to the eyes, I'm just going to draw a curve. And then we're going to aim towards the center. So let's say about right here is kind of where I want her chin. I'm just going to aim for that point and connect. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, I'm going to imagine this oval for her face. So in the center area, say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and from here I'm just going to draw a soft curve going up. And then coming down and connect. So same thing here. And connect. And then we're going to go up with a straight line to about right here and go up on both sides. So we're going to start her hair and then come down. And let's see here, come down about here towards this. I'm going to taper it in and then come out. And same thing here. So right about here, you taper it in a little bit and then bring it out. And if you like, you can draw a soft curve here, but probably don't need it because it's so shallow. You know what? I'll get rid of that. I don't think we need it. Okay, so then from there, so don't put this line right here that I did. I think that just muddles it up. And so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here and just give her a little neck. And then come out. And same thing here. And come out. So I'm not going to go all the way to round off her shoulders because I think her shoulders are a little bit different on both sides. I'm going to angle it differently. So about right here, I'm going to stop and we're going to come down to draw her sleeve on both sides. I'm going to curve it out to kind of where her armpit area would be, and then we're going to bring it down at an angle. And then before we finish all of that, let's come back to about right here. Draw a curve for neckline. And so, let's see, let's bring this down a little bit more. Say about right here for her waist, and then we're gonna pop this part out. And so before we do anything else, let's see here, let's come back and draw some details. So this is the part where her waist is. We're going to come down for her outfit with this pretty unique shape right here, and then connect it right here for her top. And then her skirt actually begins about right here, going through. So this is part of her skin right here. And then for her skirt, let's bring this down to about here. And then we're going to come in, kind of like this part right here. And then connect with a soft curve right in the center. So that's the basic shape for her outfit, and then we can come back about right here. This is where her legs are going to start. Just come in a little bit. And here. So let's go ahead and draw her legs. So pretty straightforward. I'm just going to go down and just get thinner as we come down. So all the way down. To say about right here. Long enough, right? And then let's go ahead and just bring this out, flare it out a little bit, and then round it off for her shoe. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back to about right here. We're going to cut it off for some details. She has these white socks, another lighter line right about here, and then we're going to break up for her shoes about right here, and then I'll just add 2 lines right here just for some details. And same thing here. Cut it off. And 2 lines for her shoes, just to make it simpler. And then let's come back and draw her arms. So I want her hands on her hips around this area. So I'm going to come about right here and just angle this, coming down, and 1 more angle. Then right about here, just round off her shoulders to thicken everything up. And now that we're at her wrist, come down, at an angle for her hand, and then a curve for her fingers. So then on this side, I'm just going to pop out her shoulders a little bit higher, and then come down. And then as we come down, I'm going to kind of sink it in a little bit towards her waist, and then come back out. Sorry, it's so sketchy. I just want to make sure I have it right. And then once again, just use the side of her body. And draw a curve right there. And then her hands kind of pop out about right here. So in this area, I'm just going to draw an indication of a thumb. And just wrap her fingers around it. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm just going to I'll curve it a little bit and just tuck it in. Same thing here. Do a little line right about here. And then maybe here, we just draw a curve just to finish it off. And let's draw some parting lines. And then, of course, some details right here. So I'm going to lightly start with this angle right about here and here, and then just put in some X's right here. I know it's such a small detail, but I feel like we need to put that in. And then, of course, there's all these bows. Make this curve in a little bit more. There's all these bows in the center. So we're going to start with right in the center, one circle. And I think it's just easier for me to draw these circles so I can place them nice and centered so that it doesn't get all muddled up. So with these four, I'm going to go ahead and just draw my bows. So the first one is smaller, then a bigger one, and I think this is kind of like medium size. And then back to a smaller one. And then the tail of a ribbon. And let's see here. Then about here on her skirt, there's going to be this line, comes down, and goes back up, and then two lines right here. Two curves, I mean. There. And that is pretty much it. Maybe we could add a line right here for some details coming down. I feel like it needed something. It's so empty. Right there. And then where should we put a heart for her? Right here. Let's put it on her skirt right here. To make this my Draw So Cute Sophia Laforteza from, I hope I said that right, Laforteza from Katseye. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.